for lecture 3 of 3, logarithm, class with the logarithm, learning outcomes for this class. Okay, at the end of the lesson, students are able to express the law of log, such as, okay, still remember class, you have 3 rule of log. That is, okay, times, okay, log m times n, okay, is equal to log m plus log n to the power of a. Okay, when given that log m over n is equal to log m minus log n, the same base. And given that log m to the power n, base a, n can bring to the front so that n times log m to the base a. Okay. And also you can change the base of log using this one, log m base a. You want to change to base b, different base. Okay, log m over log a. Okay, your chosen base. Okay. Definition for this subtopic log. If a and member of positive real numbers and n is equal to a to the power of x, then log n to the base a is equal to x. Okay, from the base, change to log. Okay, where a not equal to 1. A not equal to 1. Okay, if a is equal to 10, log n to the base a is equal to x. This is common log, common logarithm. If a is equal to e, log n to the base e is equal to x, and log base e can simplify to ln. ln refer to log to the base e. Okay, not in. This is ln refer to natural log. Okay, ln refer to natural log. Okay, notes, notes. If a and member of real numbers, a not equal to 1, okay, log n base 10 is equal to log n. Log n without a base, we consider this is base 10. Okay, log a, the base a, same base, is equal to 1. Okay, why? Because we change to index to be a 1 is equal to a. Okay, change to index. Log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. Why? Because of if you change to the base, a power 0 is equal to 1. Okay? And then when a to the power of log x to the base a is equal to x. Okay? And then log n to the base e can be simplified to ln. ln, ln n, ln n or ln n, ln n. Ln e equals 1. Why ln e is equal to 1? Because of ln e is log base e is equal to 1. Okay? And check the pop quiz. Okay, we'll do together. Okay, pop quiz. Express the following expressions in their equivalent form. Okay, 100. 100 equals 10 squared. Okay, and then 100 can be written as change to log. Log 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. Okay, this is base. Base. Okay. Okay, this one log y to the base 5 is equal to, okay, index x. Okay, now given in log form, we're going to change to base. Okay, this is the base index. So it's equal to the number. Okay, so 4 to the power 4 is equal to 256. Okay, how about this? Okay, 5 to the power n is equal to m over n. Okay, done. Yeah. Tips. If 2 cubed is equal to 8, implies that log 8 to the base 2 is equal to is 8. Now, given that to the power negative 3 is equal to 1 over 8, implies log 1 over 8 to the base 2 is equal to negative 3. Given that to the power x is equal to negative 3, we can simplify log negative 3 to the base 2 is equal to x. Why? Because of to the power x, always positive, change to log term. Okay, and now negative 3 is less than 0. I will conclude that the equation has no solution or the solution does not exist. Okay. Laws of log. If A, M, N member of real numbers, A not equal to 1 and what is B? B is member of real numbers. This one positive real numbers. Then, okay, when we multiply the M and N, multiply base A, can separate it like this. Okay, log M plus log N, same base. From one term to two terms. Okay, plus, connecting by plus. Okay, and then example, given log 4 plus log 25, simplify. We can simplify to log 4 times 25. Okay, 4 times 25 is equal to 100. Log without something number here, consider base 10. So, log 100 to the base 10. Simplify, okay, log 100 is 10 squared to the base 10. Okay, and this one is equal to 2. Okay, the second law, okay, still, A, M, N, A, M, N, number of real numbers. A not equal to 1. Okay, and B, member of R. Okay, and log, okay, log M over divide by N to the base A can be simplified to log M minus, this one over, minus log N, same base A, same base A. And then example, given that ln means that log base E, base E, ln 30 minus ln 6 is equal to, can be simplified using the law to ln 30 over 6. 30 over 6 is equal to 5. So the answer is ln 5. Okay. Okay, the third one, laws of log, say still if A, M, N member of positive real numbers, A not equal to 1, B, now we use B, B member of real numbers. Okay, so for first and second law, don't have B, right? Okay, so for C, part C, log M to the power of B, okay, and base A, we can bring B to the front And so you can get b times this term, log m to the base a, same base a. Just power bring to the front. Okay. Example, log 81 to the base 3. Okay, so 81 can be simplified to 3 to the power 4. Bring 4 to front, and then you get log 3 to the base 3. Log 3 to the base 3 is equal to 1. So answer is 4. Okay, quotient. Quotient, when given that log m plus n to the base a. This one not equal to, cannot be separated. When the one is positive, plus or subtraction or addition, these two terms cannot be separated. Okay, this one for law of log valid for multiplication and division. Okay, our power. Okay, when given that one, log m base a over the whole thing, over cannot be separated like this. This is not the one. Okay, why? Because the idea is the law is m over n. Okay, one term of log only, and then this one can be separated to this. And this one also log m times n to the base a can be separated like this. But this is two separate things. Subtraction or addition can be separated. Okay. And the third is when given the whole set log m to the base a power of p. Okay, this one you cannot bring p to front because of p belongs to the whole thing. Okay, this is not equal to p log m base a. This one means log m p, only p, only m to the power p. And then base a, p can bring to the front. In this case, this one, example, log m a to the power, let's say 3 cube. Okay, this one is equal to log m a times log m base a times log m base a. Okay, and but when log m cube, this one is equal to bring 3 to the front, 3 log m base a. So you get the differences between the two terms. Okay. Example 1. Example 1. Express. Okay. Express this one. And for B. Okay. And we discuss all. Okay. For example 1A. Express log 2xy to the base B minus 5 log y to the base b plus 1 as a single log from 1 to 3 terms, 1 to express to one single term. Okay, that is our aim. For B, express one single term, okay, to the separate term, to the terms. Okay, and then this one from many to one term, B from one to many terms. Okay, try A. A, okay, log 2xy base B minus 5 log y to the base B is equal to 1. Our aim is from many terms, 3 terms, change to one term. Okay, and then you check. Okay, either you separate all, everything, or combine, join all. Okay, let's say you have many methods. You want to separate all. Log, okay, same B, okay, 2, okay, plus 2x, because I'll assume this is M, this is N, okay, plus log y to the base b minus, okay, 5 log y to the base b plus, okay, and then 1. 1 actually is equal to log b base b. Okay, for this time, just you can change to log b or b, just alright, 1. Okay, and the next step, what should we do? Okay, this one, same term, okay, minus. So the answer is negative 4 log y to the base b. Okay, we just rewrite. Minus 4 log y to the base b plus log b to the base b. Okay, the next step, because of problem here, okay, okay, you have to bring 4 to the up. Okay, use the third law. Okay, so log 2x base b minus log y power of 4 base b plus log b base b. And then here, because let's say this is when this one coefficient 1, okay, you can combine all. Let's say this one plus this term plus this term. Okay, join to log b, okay, 2x times b, okay, minus log y to the power 4 b. The next step, this is this is coefficient 1 and 1 minus, means that use the second law, okay, divide one term log in big bracket 2xb over y to the power 4. Okay, so this is the answer. This is one of the method. Okay, this is one of the method. You can use many methods. Okay, you can skip a few methods. You can skip this method if you want. Okay, just show the method. Okay, so this is for example 1. Okay. Or you can use this method. Okay. Bring 5, use the third law. And because of you have to check this is coefficient 1, 1, 1. And okay, change to one single log, same base, log base b, and write log base b in the big bracket 2xy. So 2xy plus means that times b. This term minus means that this term over y to the power 5. And then simplify. This is the answer. Okay. Go to part B. Part B, from one term to many terms. Okay. Okay, look at that one. Base 10. Base 10. Assume this is base 10. Okay, solution. Log A times this term. Okay. This is M. This is N. Okay, when given that the first law, log M times N is equal to log M plus log N. Okay, just follow the template. Okay, follow the template. Log M is A, N is third B cube C is equal to log M. M is equal to A plus log N. N equals third B cube C. Okay, settle. Okay, from one term to two terms. Okay, this one settle for log A. Either you separate to like this, B third B cube times third C, bring half to the front. let's say you want to use this. Okay, follow, this is M, this is N. Follow the rule, the third rule. Okay? And then rewrite log A plus. This one can be separated to log third B cube M plus log N. N is third C. Settle. The next step, log A plus, use the simplify B cube half plus log C power half. Okay, this one, okay, B cube half is equal to B power 3 over 2. B power 3 over 2. Then bring 3 over 2 to the front. And answer is, okay, log A plus 3 over 2 log B plus 1 over 2 log C. Done. Settle. Okay, it's settled. Okay, general formula for changing from base A to base B. Okay, so given that log M to the base A, you want to change the base. Okay, so log M over log A, the same base, B over B. If you choose 3, this is also 3. Okay, and example, without using calculator, find the values of log 8 to the base 0.5. Okay, without using calculator. Okay, because of this is base 0.5, not 10 or not even E. Okay, we want to find this value without using calculator. Okay, solution. Okay, you need to change to base that you can find the value of this base, simplify. So this is study 8. 8 is equal to 2 cube log 2 cube. And then 0.5 is equal to 1 over 2. 1 over 2 means all base 2 without using calculator. Okay, this one log 2 cube over log 1 over 2. So the base approach is 2. Easy, right? The next step, okay, simplify. Bring 3 to the front. 3 log 2 of base 2. Okay, this one, okay, half, half is equal to the power negative 1. Okay, to the power negative 1. Right, and then bring negative 1 to the front. 3 over negative 2. Why? Because of log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. Answer is negative 3. Settle. Okay. Okay, if M is equal to B, then, okay, change all to B, log B to base B is equal to log B base B over log A base B. Then you get log B to base A is equal to 1 over, okay, 1 over log A base B. Okay, same base, 1, okay, log B base A is equal to 1 over log A base B, 1 over. Okay, example, given that log 2 equals 0.301 and log 7 is equal to 0.8451. Evaluate. Evaluate means that you need to find the value. Okay, log 7 base 2, log 28 base 2, log 98 base 7. Okay, start for A, log 7 base 2. Given log 2, log 7. This one is equal to log 7 over log 2. Okay, change base. Then, given that log 7 is equal to 0.8451, log 2 is equal to 0.301. Then you can use your calculator. Okay, calculator give answer 2.8076. Done. Settle. Settle for part A. Okay, for B, okay, because of given, given log 2 is equal to 0.301, log 7 is equal to 0.8451. So now from 28, we need to find something involve 2 and 7. So 28 is equal to 7 times 4. Okay, continue. Using the first law, log 7 base 2 plus log 4 base 2. Okay, and then log 7 is equal to 0.8451. Okay, then, okay, this one, 4 is 2 squared. Log 2 squared. Then use the third law. Bring 2 to the front. 2 log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. This one is equal to 1. So the answer is 2.8451. Settle. Okay, see, given that log 2 is equal to 0.301, log 7 is equal to 0.8451. Okay. So 98. 98 means base 7. You need to find something 98. 98. Okay, you can use calculator or maybe you can use like this. Let's say between 2 and 7. Okay, divide by 2. 49. Divide by 7. 7. Divide by 7. 1. Means 98 is equal to 2 times 7 squared or 49. Okay, use the first law, separate log 2 plus log 7 squared to the base 7. Okay, why? Because it can be separated. Assume this is m, this is n. So m, n. Separate to two terms. Okay, next step. And this is log 2 base 7. Okay, what you have is log 2 base 10, log 7 base 10. So change to base 10. Log 2 over log 7. Plus, 2 bring to the front. Okay, get log 7 base 7. Next step, substitute value for log 2, 0.301 over 0.8451 plus 2. Use calculator and then should get the answer 2.356. Okay. Settle for log. Okay, what you need to know for log is, okay, 3 laws of log. That is, when given m times n, you have to remember, know how to use m, n, multiply, can be separated like this. Okay. And then when given a division, divide m divided by n can be separated by minus. Power like this you can bring to the front. This is a three important law for log. And at the same time, you have to know how to change base to your base, according the question. Okay. And then this one, if log b over a is equal to 1 over log a over b. So that's all for log. Okay, bye bye.